All right, what's going on, everybody? We're home now, but today we did a wall furnace, and it's 85 degrees outside. Maybe she got a discount. I don't know, but it was pretty easy. It's pretty fun. Made it look great. It looked okay before, but we made it look great. We had to raise it 5 inches because the exhaust comes out the back, and it just didn't line up. But we raised it up. Put a little patch down below where our gas and our power and our thermostat wire comes in. And we replaced the exhaust penetration deal on the outside. Looks beautiful. Check this out. It's just a wall furnace. I don't know. Whatever. I'd rather do a furnace with some ductwork and a line set and all that. But today we're doing a wall furnace. Check this out. Van is an absolute mess. You should have seen it 5 minutes ago, though. The old wall furnace. Okay, we're at the job site. Customers moving their car so I can park behind them and they'll park behind me. I'm not sure if they know how to drive. I don't think so. I hate these things, but this one's easy. Don't need that. Pretty cool though. Check installation instructions before you put in the shut up. Copper gas line, that flare is not a good flare. Anyways. High voltage. I think it's on, actually. Which is fine, but I'm pretty sure they're wired into the lights in this room. That's coming off. I want to make sure that it's either dead or not dead.
Didn't give you much to play with, did they?
I don't know if I have a good ground or not. Whoa, see? Oh well, huh? What? Must be on the auto function. 120.
Okay.
So it's still on, which is fine. We'll just want to remember that for later. All right, I'm not turning the power off right here, right now, because it's actually wired into the garage and half of the house. So that's cool. Needs to be on its own circuit. It's not. Little old lady there trying to just keep, living her life. So I kept her power on for the most part. I did it live and I had to turn it off when I had to turn it off type of deal. I'm gonna throw some tape on this wire until I'm not. It's fucking stuck. Get off. It'll be fun. Got the thermostat. Alright, we are ready to go. And I forgot to get a video of us taking the furnace out. But once we did get it out, here's what we're doing next. Had to cut up the drywall about 5 inches so we can move the furnace up. Okay, we're grabbing the old multi-tool 100 blades. I don't think I need all of those. Our options are move the furnace up 5 inches or put a new hole for that exhaust. So take your guess on what we're doing. Raising the furnace. I don't know how he just got those screws in there, but he did. That's what you call pure skill, buddy. It's hard being this great. It takes a lot of hard work, dedication, big old HVAC. Keep watching. Oh, here's your little bit.
Good thing you found it.
All right. Oh, and in case you're wondering, is that what they set the furnace on? That's it? How can they sleep at night? No, that's not it. Of course, we put lag screws in the back of the furnace into those 2x8s, which were stacked there for the purpose of the wall furnace. Almost said water heater. I don't do plumbing. And I don't think I want to. This is how stupid I am. It looks like half inch. Looks like half inch. Smells like half inch.
He tried to get me to taste it, but I wouldn't.
Yeah, it tastes like half inch. I had to taste it. Threads like half inch. So we'll get track pipe. Wait, did he say track pipe? What a hack. Why wouldn't you hard pipe that down the wall? Really, dude? We're gonna reinvent the wheel? Okay, it's coming up on one side of the gas valve with copper piping. And we're gonna hard pipe. Bruh. Alright, I was about 99% sure that was half inch, but I saw copper pipe coming off of it. I thought to myself, maybe before I go buy half inch fittings and track pipe and stuff like that, maybe it's not what I think it is, but it was. We're gonna get rid of this copper. I don't have the right angle. I'm wasting time. We're gonna stop that. We're gonna grab some cutters. Okay, I'm gonna take that exhaust off. I'm dropping my stuff. Takes this exhaust off. We'll replace it. Replacing that. All right, let's go get some parts. You know you're down bad when you get yourself in the ductwork aisle at Lowe's. But I just need a little piece of sheet metal to make a little patch. We'll do this one. Dude, that damn aluminum fake sheet metal from Lowe's, I will never buy it again. I rolled it up into a little roll and stuck it behind a shelf on my van. Didn't even use it. It just crumples. It's fine, I guess. Like, maybe somewhere. I don't know. It's just not impressed. Didn't even use it. Went to the shop because we had a lunch, an hour and a half meeting lunch about Service Titan, about our goals, about how good we're doing, about how he thinks us, we're doing great, da 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 da. It was cool, but anyways, after lunch, I built up the little piece of metal and we went back to the job. All right, we just had an hour and a half lunch break at our shop for a good old team meeting. It was a bunch of BS. Anyways, that sheet metal, we spray painted it. We got the new exhaust. I'm gonna go ahead and hook her on up. That's almond. It looks close enough. It is what it is. All right, let's go finish this part up. Yo, did you see that? Did you see it? I even spray painted the screws. Woo! All right, time to clean up. Love this multi-cool taste. Multi-cool taste. I just said that. Okay, yes, I know where the gas is coming through. It's still basically a wide open hole. I didn't see that in this video, but I saw it before we left the house. Spray foamed it, added more insulating foam tape. Good to go. Hopefully I got a clip of that. I don't know, but just in case I didn't, that's not the finished product on that hole. It's sealed up, good to go. But even if it wasn't, what are you gonna do about it? Huh? Nothing. Oh, Lord. Money. Okay, all finished up. Beautiful. All right, that's gonna do it for this video. Just a wall furnace, pretty simple. What do I even say? Here's another outro. We're doing this every day now. Did you guys know that? Every workday, Monday through Friday, we're uploading, okay? We're grinding this. It's getting a little repetitive, but we're just gonna keep doing it. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. Yeah, and if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? What are they doing, Mello? I don't know. Anyways, on the next one, tell them bye. Bye, dog.